Dear students, I am Dr. Sasikant Tamrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. I am teaching fluid machinery in BE 5th semester. Today we will solve a numerical. A 3-stage centrifugal pump has impeller 40 cm in diameter and 2 cm wide at outlet. The vanes are curved back at an angle of 45 degrees and reduce the circumferential area by 10%. The manometric efficiency is 90% and overall efficiency is 80%. Determine the head generated by the pump when running at 1000 RPM, delivering 50 liters per second. What should be the shaft horsepower? Here the data given are number of stages n equal to 3, dia of impeller at outlet D2 equal to 40 centimeter equal to 0.4 meter, width at outlet B2 equal to 2 centimeter equal to 0.02 meter, vane angle at outlet phi equal to 45 degree, reduction in area at outlet, area reduction is given 10% at outlet. So the area of flow at outlet, so area of flow at outlet is equal to 90% of pi d2 b2. So this is equal to 0.9 pi 0.4 into 0.02. So this area comes 0.02262 meter square. Manometric efficiency, eta manometric is given as 90%, that is 0.9, and eta overall is given 80%, that is 0.8. Speed is given 1000 RPM. Discharge is given 50 liter per second. So we have to determine head generated by the pump and shaft power. Now velocity of flow at outlet VF2 equal to discharge by area of flow. Discharge by area of flow. So this VF2 equal to discharge is given 50 liters, that is 0.05 meter cube per second, 0.05 meter cube per second, by area of flow is the reduced area. So this is 0.02262. So this VF2, value of VF2 comes 2.21 meter per second. Now tangential velocity of impeller at outlet, that is U2 equal to pi d2n by 60, putting the values here, pi 0.4 into 1000 by 60, so the value of U2 comes 20.94 meter per second. Now from the velocity triangle at outlet, tan phi equal to VF2 by U2 minus VW2. So this is tan 45 equal to VF2 is 2.21 by U2 is 20.94 minus VW2. The value of tan 45 is 1. So the value of VW2 can be calculated as 18.73 meter per second. Now eta manometric equal to G HM U2 VW2. Eta manometric is given 90%, G is 9.81, HM we have to calculate, and U2 is 20.94 minus VW2 is 18.73. So here we will get the value of HM, and this head is 35.98 meter. 35.98, that is equal to 36 meter is the head generated by the pump. Now using equation, the total head generated by the pump, here 3 pumps are there, so total head generated by the pump is equal to 3 into 35.98, 3 into 35.98. So this total head comes 107.94, 107.94 meter is the total head lifted by the pump. Now power outlet of the pump equal to power outlet of pump, that is power output of pump by power input, power output by power input, power input to the pump, power input to the pump. So the values are here. This is 52.94 by shaft power rho GQH. This is rho GQH, rho GQH by 1000, that divided by shaft power, So here putting the values, rho is 1000 for water, this is 9.81, and Q is 0.05, and H is 107.5.94, that divided by 1000 by SP is equal to 0.8 overall efficiency. This is the overall efficiency. So this 1000 get cancelled, and the value of shaft power comes from here is 66.175 kilowatt is the shaft power. So we have to solve the similar type of questions. We'll take one more numerical. A four-stage centrifugal pump has four identical impellers keyed to the same shaft. The shaft is running at 400 rpm, and total manometric head developed by multi-stage pump is 40 meter. The discharge through the pump is 0.2 meter cube per second. The vanes of each impeller are having outlet angle as 45 degree. If the width and diameter of each impeller at outlet is 5 cm and 60 cm respectively, find the manometric efficiency. Here the data given are number of stages equal to 4, speed is given 400 rpm, total manometric head is 40 meter, so manometric head of each stage is 10 meter, HM equal to, this is total, so HM equal to 40 by 4 equal to 10 meter by each pump. Now discharge is given 0.2 meter cube per second. Outlet wet angle phi equal to 45 degree. Width at outlet B2 equal to 5 centimeter equal to 0.05 meter, and dia at outlet D2 equal to 60 centimeter equal to 0.6 meter. Now tangential velocity of impeller at outlet U2 equal to pi d2n by 60, putting the values here, pi into 0.6 into 400 is divided by 60, so value of U2 comes 12.56 meter per second. Now we have to find velocity of flow at outlet, that is Vf2 equal to discharge by area, of flow, that putting the values here, the discharge is 0.02 and area of flow is pi d2 b2, putting the values 0.02 pi 0.6 into 0.05. So the value of VF2 comes 2.122 meter per second. Now from the velocity triangle at outlet, tan phi equal to VF2 by U2 minus VW2. So tan phi is 1045 equal to VF2 is 2.122 by U2 is 12.56 minus VW2. So value of 1045 is 1 equal to 2.122, 12.56 minus VW2. So this is 12.56 minus VW2 equal to 2.122. So VW2 equal to 12.56 minus 2.122. So the value of VW2 comes to 10.438 meter per second. And now we have to calculate eta manometric equal to GHM by U2 VW2. So putting here G 9.81 into head HM is given 10 for individual and U2 is 12.56 minus VW2 is 10.438. So the value of eta manometric comes 0.7482 equal 74.82% is the value of eta manometric. These questions have been asked in examination most of the times, so you have to solve the questions from university question paper and practice more and more. Thank you.